Hi, I'm Scott, founder of Pinnacle Tech Projects, back at Maple and Maine. Today, the most awkward job in any small business, chasing money. Invoices go out, they come due, and then nobody wants to send the reminder. So we'll let n8n do it politely, automatically, every single morning. Let's build it. Here's the situation in the invoice sheet. 2 invoices are overdue, the work is done, the money is owed. But asking for it feels pushy, so the reminder never gets sent, and weeks go by. That's real cash, just sitting on the table because of an awkward email nobody wants to write. So we automate the email nobody wants to write. Every morning, this node reads your invoice sheet and filters for one thing, status equals overdue. 2 overdue today, 10 next month, it doesn't matter. Every past due invoice service is right here, and not one slips your mind. Then the nudge, warm, never pushy. A short, friendly email built from each row. The invoice number, the amount, the due date, and a thank you in case it already went out. It's exactly the message a good owner would send, except it goes out the same morning, every time, without the wince. And we close the loop. The workflow finds that invoices row and updates it. The status becomes reminder sent, and we stamp today's date. That's what stops the same customer getting nagged 2 days running. The sheet remembers, so you don't have to. Let's run it. Read the sheet, send the reminders, update the rows, 4 nodes, all green, no one touching a keyboard. Put it on a daily schedule, and every overdue invoice gets a polite, professional nudge before you've finished your coffee. And here's the payoff. Back in the sheet. Both overdue invoices now read reminder sent. The customers have been nudged, the record is updated, and the cash starts moving. All without one uncomfortable phone call. That's the difference between getting paid in 60 days and getting paid this week. That's receivables that chase themselves. The workflow's free below, point it at your own invoice sheet and email, set the schedule, and you're done. Next episode, an AI receptionist that answers after hours, so you never miss a lead again. Grab the workflow and follow along.